Good morning, children. Hope you are okay and you are doing your work, and you have to do your sleep test also. So now, children, we will continue with our work. So previously we have learnt about the uses of animals. With animals, what all we have used, how they are useful to us, like cow, hen, duck, what all we'll get, and from that we depend on that, and our livelihood or whatever earning we are earning from them. So domestic animals are very important. Okay, now today we'll be going to start new from workbook block 14, our animal wealth, S2, animals of India. Now, animals of India. Now, to match animals to place where they are found in India. Now, some animals where they are found in India, that will see animals, places, rhino, Assam. I'll show you here, children. First one, rhino, Assam, elephant, Assam, Kerala, camel, Rajasthan, yak, Ladakh, tiger, West Bengal, lion, Gujarat. So I'll show you this map also. Little bit front. I'll show you. Rhino in Assam. Here, Assam. Just I'll show you Assam. Then again elephant, Assam and Kerala down. Then camel, Rajasthan here. Yes, Rajasthan, camel. Yak, Ladakh here. Then tiger, West Bengal here. West Bengal. Can you see, children? West Bengal. Then lion, Gujarat. Lion, Gujarat. Did you see, children? My small map. Okay. So there, the place we can find those animals in particular place. Okay, children. So today we will learn about different animals and where they are found in India. Now, besides the animals, monkeys, leopards, deer, bear, buffalo, squirrels, boars, snakes are found in India. Most of these animals live in forests, which are not very cold. Animals like the camel, some types of snakes are found in the hot desert regions, and yak in the cold Himalayas, near Himalayas. You can see this. Yeah, near Himalayas, this. Okay, can you see? Oh, okay. Now, Himalayan mountain. We will not find polar bear, pandas, whales, seals, penguins, and some other animals which can only survive in place which are very cold. See, these animals, children, they can't live here, children. They need cold place, very cold place, and snow or snow covered throughout the year, unlike India. Now, some animals like elephants survive in forests. They make it their home and also find their food in the forest. Children, forest is very important, na children? Rajasthan is a desert. It has no forest So, elephant cannot be found in Rajasthan. Huh. Yaks survive in cold climate, even climatic condition also children they need. So they are found in Ladakh, which is very cold. They cannot live in Kerala, which is hot. So in particular place, animals live there. Okay. According to the climate also, children, they survive, which is hot. Now children, take out your reader slowly. Children, take out your reader, page number 89. See these animals, wild animals: lion, tiger, rhinoceros, leopard, tiger, then snake. Now, wild animals of India. We have talked about domestic. Now wild animals, where they live. India is home to a large number of wild animals. The Asiatic lion is found in the Gir forest of Gujarat. The Gir forest is there in near Gujarat. There they live. Elephants are found in Assam and Kerala, which I showed you on the map. Rhinos are found in Assam, camels in Rajasthan, the Royal Bengal tiger in the Sundarbans of West Bengal, and the yak in Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir. Beside these animals, leopards, deer, monkey, crocodiles, foxes, cobras, pythons, boars, bears, and snakes are also found in different parts of India. That's all. Now take out your workbook. See children, this is the map I showed you also. First you do one thing children. S2, Animals of India. On the given map of India, write the names of the wild animals on the states where they are found. What you do children, first you write how I have written, no? Like that you write so that it will be easy. Now tiger, West Bengal, lion, Gujarat, camel, Rajasthan, yak, Jammu and Kashmir, then rhino, Assam, elephant, Kerala. Assam and Kerala, I think so. That is. Just see. So here in this map, how you'll write? Yak near Jammu Kashmir, camel here, then lion. This is Rajasthan, Gujarat here, lion, then tiger here, small tiger, West Bengal, then here rhinoceros, Assam. This is Assam, rhino and elephant. Please write it. Rhino and elephant. Here also elephant in Kerala. Just see. Okay, I'll show you again. Second question. This is very easy. Please write with pencil, children. Don't write with pen. Okay. Now, why are camels not found in the forest of Assam? Camels are not found in the forest of Assam because they can live only in hot desert. Okay, Assam is not a desert. Assam is not a desert, no? Okay. Now one time I'll show you. Just see nicely. Okay children, please complete your notes. There and there. Don't keep pending. Anyhow you are at home, so please spend little time. Sit and complete the work. Okay. Now how you used to do in class? No, how much you used to write in class? Baba, so much you used to write. Like that only now. But now you will sit at home. Don't worry your parents better, and sit and complete your work. See the video nicely. You see the video. Listen nicely and do the work. Okay.